Here we are with the multi. Now I will install this heat guard here, like that. This is from the 2025 model, but it also fits the 23 model. I remove the OM bolt here and we have to install this. The difficult thing is that you have to insert the tube inside this place. So because now it's cold, this is very tight, so we have to press a bit here and put it inside like that. I think now it is at the correct position. Very nice. So it's looking nice, very clean here instead of the previous condition. And now I'm happy that I covered this mess here. And the next upgrade will be these air intakes. So don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the bell and wait for the new video.